What is your name?
My name is Philip Rosal Fernandez.
Coming from?
I'm coming from Lotolin.
Mhm. Just tell me your story because you came after around 10 years of treatment. So what was your problem that time and
So
how you came?
I'm working on a ship. It's a tanker. And I get various ships also on general cargo where we do a lot of lifting and shifting of equipments and cargos. So as working, there was a little bit of pain I was to get. Then after the pain increased and I came to know it as slip disc. So now things were getting bad. I could not join job, and I should take some painkillers or do the normal bandage this and heat reliefs and all that. And I should join. But after joining 1 2 months, again it will start. So I think this is not going to work out. Let me try some other doctors.
So like how many years you suffered?
First I was suffering for 3 years, and then I got this news that there's a good doctor called who does acupuncture without any medicine, this and that. And I know the doctor from childhood. So I went and visited him. He inspected me and examined me.
So you came to our center, you mean?
Yes. Examined me and he told me, okay, this is this. Let us do a so and so treatment. And I started treatment, which was 10 to 12 days. And then I got a call from my office that I'll be joining shortly. I told doctor so and so thing, how should I hurry up? Because I have to join. Then doctor thought about me. He said, let's do a moxibustion. And that moxibustion was so good. I could really feel the heat passing through and I was getting a lot of relief. And I knew I was picking up my cure. And then just 2 more days left to join Bombay. Again, doctor advised me, let us do one more research, which is pricking of needles on my head. And that was entirely more good. And with that, till today, that has lasted 10 years. There's no problem. But since I'm doing all this hard job, I get maybe
You are
because
tried all the, you are doing now total normal work.
yeah, normal work, lifting,
More than
shifting.
normal you can say.
More than normal. And then lifting, shifting, a lot is always there. Sometimes the work you have to hurry up. You don't take a body position, and that's where you can start affecting your body or black slips, and getting a problem to your body. So I decided, as they always say, prevention is better than cure. I came and doctor and met him. He said, okay, let's start a little bit treatment so that nothing can happen further ahead. For that reason, today I'm here again doing this treatment.
But by luckily we thought now to take your recording because a lot of people has got doubt after treatment does the problem occurs or how many years I will get relief and all. So now as your consideration your condition was so worse and after that we have treated you and just for 12 days and with the special research treatment that time is 10 years back you got cured and you have done now you say as per the very hard work compared to before.
Right.
Otherwise any slip disc patient is totally advised not to do any lifting, no bending in lifetime.
Exactly.
Yeah, but
So
where
it was
you
so
are
bad
doing
of mine that I could not even put my shoes, tie my own laces. When I go to brush my teeth, I could not cough because I had to lift my leg one side and then cough, give some support. Today I am entirely normal. You can say entirely normal. I am very happy, very satisfied. That's why I am back again just for prevention. And I would advise all those patients who come here just to have faith and be relaxed and have trust also in God that you will be cured and it will be done. But do not leave it in a halfway and go and say it is, I'm not getting any results. Because you have to wait.
Yeah, because some patients
It depends
less,
person to person, it
yeah.
depends on body to body also. Some can get cured in 10 days or 15 days or maybe a month. But wait and see. The body should also act and respond to the doctor's cure.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're most welcome.